maybe have a go on your own composition and see what you can come up with. One thing I'd like to touch on just a little bit more is this idea of layering and building up layers of sound. So we've talked about call and response, where it switches from one to the other. So another approach is layering, so the texture gradually got thicker. So the thing I'd like you to consider with that is you don't have to go from first rhythm all the way through to the last rhythm. It might be worth considering what rhythms enter at what time, just to make sure it makes sense and it flows. So for example, let's try this one. When I'm thinking about layering, I might like to think of building from a really subtle place where maybe it's quite quiet as well. We're going to touch on dynamics very soon. And then build and build and build, so it becomes more and more exciting. So this is quite a heavy rhythm, so I'd probably put that nearer the end. This is another driving rhythm, but it's actually quite light. I think that's when I was playing the tubs. So start with that one, and then I'm going to put that one nearer the end, knowing full well that I'm going to build up until I get to that one. So let's maybe drag this out. So there's 4 cycles. That then gives me something to aim for as well, because it means that I know I've got sort of 4 cycles of this first rhythm that I'm going to build through. And then I can start auditioning these other ones, because I know what the end's going to sound like as well. So let's have a listen to this. What I'm looking for at the beginning is really subtle sounds. That shaker is quite a nice one. That grater's a bit more direct, so perhaps I would bring that in about halfway through, but maybe the shaker could start nearer the beginning. Let's have a listen to this one. Okay, so that one actually sounds like a bit of an agogo. An agogo is the cowbell-like instrument that they use in samba music in Brazil, and it's got 2 different pitches of cowbell. And again, that's quite exciting, so I'm going to probably put that nearer the end. So these are just my claps from the beginning. Maybe I'll start with that. That could be quite nice. Now remember, you can move your tracks around like this. You click and drag. But can you see that I was having trouble seeing where to come in there? So I'm going to click and drag that down. That's better. So now I can drag down, have a look. So now what I'm going to do is drag these out right up until the end. I've considered these sounds before I put them in, rather than just going from the first sound to the last sound, so I can kind of control the effect that I'm creating. That's fine. I think I still want that to build a little more. So actually I'm going to bring this in. Let's have a look. And then maybe we put that one in there. See what this does. See if that's any better. Okay, yep, so you get the idea. It's about building up those layers.